Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alin here once again, product UI UX designer based in Sibiu, Romania. Today I would like to speak to you about my design career. How did I get started in the design career and where did I get started? What were the steps? What were the obstacles and stuff like that. Basically, after finishing the university in Romania, I had the opportunity to go to Malta to follow internship. It was for a small company within the online marketing industry. So in the beginning, I did like online marketing stuff for 3 months over there. After 3 months, I finished it. I had the opportunity to get a job immediately afterwards for another small company doing like event marketing. So in the beginning, I worked as well like within the online marketing stuff until some point where my boss came to me and asked me if I want to create some design related work for, let's say it was for print in the beginning. We had a couple of clients who required design work, like banners, posters, etc. And my boss just came to me and he asked me if I want to do it, and yeah, I just said okay. And the story begins. I just started to learn Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Design. It was a struggle in the beginning, but after let's say 3 to 4 months, I managed to learn it, and I was able to create basic stuff for our clients. They were they were happy in the beginning with some amendments, so I received also feedback. But overall, it was they were happy, and I kept on going. I kept on creating stuffs, banners, posters, mostly print, a bit of website design for small websites. But yeah, it was a very good period because I got to learn the tools. Uh, in the meantime, I went to learn about the graphic design principles, so how I can create, let's say, a nice composition and to have balance and to be appealing to the user, I mean to the customer in that context. In that company, I stayed like 1 year, 1 year and a half. Uh, I had a chance to learn a lot because I also got to learn from some designers friends that I managed to make in Malta at the time. But at some point, I discovered, let's say, the UX, UI, UX, mostly UX branch in our industry. I wanted to get better and better on it, and I decided to move to Western Europe. Why Western Europe? Because I think you can grow, let's say, faster, and you can benefit a lot by working over there. Being lucky that my parents are living in Belgium, next to Brussels, I just quit my job in Malta without having a new job. Like, prior to this, I didn't know that I would have a job in Belgium. But I didn't care. Although it was a very risky situation, I didn't care. I just wanted to make it possible. I just wanted to succeed. I had this mindset. And yeah, it happened to be a very good period in Malta. I got to make a lot of friends. I got to learn the tools and all the stuff that I need to succeed. So summer 2015, I think I'll just describe everything in the video. Summer 2015, I left Malta and I went directly to Belgium. It was a very tough period because I went there alone. I lived with my parents, and I just started to apply for internship jobs, contracts, whatever, so I can just have something to create and to make money out of it. After 2 months of applying, you have to know that in this period I also kept on learning. I kept on studying, reading, creating random websites so I can keep up my level as high as possible. After 2 months, I think I got contract work for a company in Antwerp, an advertising agency where I did mostly banners, posters for big brands over there. Got to learn their culture, got to know the people. It was a stressful period because the client needs the work as urgent as possible. But I, at some point, I managed to do it. It was a very interesting period, but it lasted only 2 months. No, sorry, it lasted only 1 month, and then I left the company. I kept on applying, and afterwards, immediately I got the chance to get an internship for a very big company in Belgium that has offices overseas, internationally. And there I really got to learn a lot about the UX part. I create a lot of mobile apps, websites, desktop apps. I was involved in a very nice team of designers, seniors, and juniors as well. So I really benefited a lot from the period over there. I learned as much as possible, and I got confident as well in myself and my skills. So I stayed there. I worked for 3 months over there, becoming as confident as possible while the time is passing. So yeah, I left after 3 months, and immediately I got a job for a branding company in Mechelen, Belgium. I worked over there on the websites, apps, mobile apps, desktop apps as well. Got to learn a lot from designers. We were like a team of 9 designers, and yeah, just I felt like I just got better and better in my skills and in my design process. But at some point, after leaving, let's say, because I also lived in Croatia, doing my Erasmus studies, after living for 4 years, more or less abroad, I wanted to come back a bit to Romania to experience the environment here as well. And after Belgium, I mean, I spent in Belgium over 1 year and something. And then I came back to Romania, 2017, I think it was, or 2016. I came back here. I got a job in Sibiu, where I am currently based, doing yeah, websites, mobile apps, digital products as well. Working here for 1 year, and then I left the company. I went to Bucharest for a marketing agency, digital marketing agency over there, where I was working there for 7 months, and then I felt like this company here in City is my best fit, is the best fit for me in terms of flexibility, in terms of growth, in terms of environment, in terms of, let's say, all those aspects. And 1 year ago, I think in May, I came back to company. I'm currently very happy here, working with great colleagues, working on interesting projects. I'm currently doing like a very big redesign for an application SaaS product. And yeah, basically that's my path, let's say, from Malta to Romania. Being child also, I liked how to draw, and I knew how to draw. I was good in school, let's say in the drawing classes. So all the time I was, let's say, I was involved in the design, let's say, spectrum. But when I had the chance to pursue and to, let's say, make something serious, I didn't hesitate. Now, getting back to the obstacles and struggles, there were a lot, especially in the beginning, Malta and mostly in Belgium, where the standard was very high. I didn't have enough experience. I lacked the languages. I didn't speak, let's say, French or Dutch, and yeah, I felt a lot of pain over there because people didn't want to hire me because of lack of experience, because of lack of understanding, and all those aspects. But I decided to. My mindset was formed while ago, since I wanted to succeed. So in my mind, I always wanted to succeed, and I didn't give up. So that kept me to move on through the pain, let's say. But while the time was passing, I got confident. That's where I managed to, let's say, be calm and confident, and to move on and learn and grow in the career. So yeah, you will face, if you are in the beginning of your career right now, you will face a lot of obstacles and struggles, but just don't give up. You need to have a plan, you need to set some goals and just go for them. From now on, I also have some. I'll just show you my notebook here, where I'm trying to set some goals. You can see here, I'm always trying to set some goals for a longer period of time, so I can get better and better. And my goal with this YouTube channel is to help everyone who is selling into the same, let's say, the design industry, and not only, because I will also speak about the self-development, self-growth, and mindset here. So yeah, with that being said, that was my path in my design career. Hope you liked it. I'm trying to upload more and more videos, helping you guys to succeed and to make you understand what is the design industry, how can you grow and how can you learn. So stay tuned to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Have a nice day. Bye.